Hi, my name is Ed and thanks for checking out my Learn Ventriloquism review. You are probably watching this video because you are wondering if Tom Crowl's Learn Ventriloquism is any good. But before we go any further, let me first give you a little background about Tom Crowl. Tom Crowl is a high-energy comedian and ventriloquist who brings over 30 years of professional entertainment experience into each new performance. A rare talent, Tom is often recognized from his appearance on NBC's Last Comic Standing, as well as his performances at corporate events, associations, theaters, cruises, casinos and resorts around the world. Tom Crowl is still performing and still entertaining crowds. He knows what audiences expect, and how to keep his material fresh and relevant. The reason why I am giving you a little background about Tom Crowl is because the best way to learn ventriloquism is through taking private lessons with a professional ventriloquist. In all honesty, a lot of ventriloquist courses exist. However, if you try to learn ventriloquism from a book, you are in for a tough time. It is because it is hard to explain in print how you must move your tongue inside of your mouth to create the sound, B, without moving your lips. Most ventriloquists spent years in front of a mirror, through a process of trial and error, to perfect the skill. Those lessons can add up quickly and become very expensive. That is why professional ventriloquist Tom Crowl created the first-time released, online ventriloquism course. The course features 36 lessons that contain HD video, written instructions, practice sessions and homework. Crowl planned the course to keep you engaged with the learning process. The lessons allow students time to practice the techniques and gain the skill. You can check out full Learn Ventriloquism course in the link below. Tom knows how frustrating it can be for someone to truly understand the techniques and learn how to be a ventriloquist. Tom has spent a great deal of time taking his knowledge and creating the very best course in techniques and training available to date. Where clarity of techniques is needed, he has included extreme close-ups that show you exactly how the sounds are made using your tongue and teeth. As a professional ventriloquist, who performs 250 to 300 shows a year, he is sharing tips and tricks that only come from this level of professionalism. For labials, meaning pertaining to the lips, letters that require the use of your lips, B, F, M, P, V. Tom instructs beginners on specific exercises required to strengthen those sounds, long before learning the actual technique. For those people who truly want to learn how to perform ventriloquism, there is nothing out there that comes even close to Tom's course. He will not just give you guidance on the basics, he will teach you exactly how to be a professional. This course is on the level of taking private lessons from him, at a fraction of the cost. If you are frustrated by difficult to understand techniques, tired of poorly explained instructions, and truly want to learn the skills to be a good ventriloquist, this course is for you. On top of that, you can get the first 5 lessons for free by clicking the link below. When you look what you're getting, and the cost of it, the deal is a pretty sweet one. You get to learn how to be a ventriloquist from a professional ventriloquist, in the privacy of your own home.